Yeah.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. I think it has been recording for so many minutes. Doesn't matter. Who is speaking now? Vinay. Or let me go
Vidyadhar,
by
sir.
your numbers. Vidyadhar, what is your number? Why?
963295.
Okay, I think you are the next person on the line. And you wanted your video to be not recorded, no?
Yes, sir.
Vidyadhar?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Vinay Yadav. I am basically from Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. I am a graduate in computer science from Central University of Allahabad, and I have a basic knowledge of C language, Java, and I am curious about the geopolitics and geoeconomics of the India and the world. That's all about me.
What something you said geopolitics? What is that?
The geopolitics, sir, is a combination of different political parties to make understand of each and other, and to play tactics with each another. Either it is in India or it is in the world.
Achha, what is your father?
So my father worked in a private company, but due to the COVID time, he has been stressed out from the company.
Achha. Now he is not working.
No, sir, not.
Achha. How many siblings you have?
So I have 3 siblings.
What are they doing?
2 brothers and 1 sister. So all of them are studying in their respective field.
Very good. What about your mother?
My mother is a homemaker.
Then how do you manage for your monthly expenses, father? Are you having some land and all that?
Yes, sir. We have a land in our village, and also my father have some savings with them.
Oh, good, good, very good, excellent. So you said your main degree is what? Degree in commerce or
Computer science. Computer science.
Computer science. Did you prepare for computer science questions also or not?
Sir, not that much.
Not
Sir,
that
I am
much.
okay with the economics questions.
So what is cloud computing?
Sir, cloud computing is a network, in which a large number of networks have been connected to each other with in a very small spaces, and to give them service to a large number of people at the same time.
Mhm. But you should tell this point also. Cloud computing is storing message on top. Cloud computing transforms IT infrastructure into a utility. It lets you plug into infrastructure via the internet and use computing resources without installing and maintaining them on premises. That is, घर में नया कंप्यूटर लेके रख के उसमें स्टोर करने का बदला ऑनलाइन में नेट में हम लोग स्टोर कर देते हैं थ्रू इंटरनेट, क्लाउड में स्टोर कर देते हैं. कैन यू नेम वन और टू cloud companies which are storing messages?
So first of all, it is a Google and Microsoft.
1 minute. Hello. 8073. 620 na for you 620. So please come. Now please come on to the Google and that what? Please come. Zoom link I have given you now. Yeah. So what is it I was asking? Sorry.
So types of companies that are offering the cloud marketing.
So yeah. Names of companies. Very good.
Yeah. So like Google, Microsoft, and
I think Amazon also is doing it. Then
Amazon.
OneDrive is doing it. Microsoft, you told.
Yes.
Microsoft is OneDrive, Google Drive. And then there are other companies like P-Cloud, etc. So many companies are there. Let us see. Cloud computing companies. I will search because this question is a good question.
Okay.
Cloud computing companies. Cloud computing companies. Dropbox, Intel, Ring Central, NetApp, Oracle, and of course, these are not familiar in India. In India, the familiar companies given are some Google Cloud, then DigitalOcean, Go for hosting. Which companies are working in cloud computing in India? Infosys, Sterlite, TCS, Tata Technologies, then 47 billion information, RO solutions like this. थोड़ा ये भी आपको जानना जरूरी है क्योंकि अब तो कंप्यूटर पढ़ा है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जी, हमको ये बताओ कोर बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशन का मतलब क्या है? पढ़ा नहीं है?
Not that much.
क्या पढ़ा है बताइए?
So economics terms, basic economics terms, which are day-to-day, which are usable in a day-to-day terms.
नहीं. Core banking solution का मतलब ये है connecting the main server of the bank with all the branches. All the branches are interconnected to the main server of the bank. एक कंप्यूटर लड़का को ये जानना जरूर चाहिए. Core banking solution. The top 4 banking solutions in India is Infosys, Finacle, Then you have Tata's Banks, BANCS. ठीक है? समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Now, can you tell me
Yes, sir.
something
I,
about? Yeah, tell me.
But, sir, I want to know that how I can just limit the number of questions on the computer science, because it's not that much prepared.
I see. When a computer student comes, invariably we ask basic questions. What is
Yes, sir.
2G? What is 3G? What is 4G? What is 5G?
Hmm.
Then what is cloud computing?
Hmm.
Then what is say Microsoft
solution.
Excel, Microsoft Word? What is PowerPoint? ये सब पूछेगा. Then इसका बाद में say what is Wi-Fi? What is Wi-Fi? How the networks are interconnected, and what do you know about different types of networks? What is topology? Likewise, all these basic questions तो पूछना है ना. ये तो बिल्कुल कॉमर्स लड़कों को भी जानना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अभी ये सही है, आपने तो ये बता दिया. अच्छा, ये सब क्वेश्चंस आपको मेरा बैंकर्स अड्डा बुक एक दिया ना हमने लिंक में.
Yes, sir. I have. Sir, today only I bought it.
हाँ, उसका अंदर में 10 पेजेस मटेरियल है, उसमें 7 नंबरी पेज में ये सब क्वेश्चंस दिया हुआ है, उसका पूरा पढ़ लीजिए.
Definitely, sir.
अच्छा, आपने क्या पढ़ा है बैंकिंग के बारे में?
So banking, so like CLR, SLR, and repo rate, reverse repo rate, how the economics of India works, and how the why the increasing Fed rate in the USA is affecting our stock market.
Please tell me.
That's all.
आपने जो कुछ पढ़ा है उसका बारे में सब बोलो. Are you telling correctly? Let me see. Tell me.
Okay. So the CRR stands for cash reserve ratio. So it is the amount of deposit that the bank have that the bank give to the RBI as a for the security purpose. So that it does not go for a bankrupt. And the second is the SLR, which stands for statutory liquidity ratio. So it's a form. Sir, in this the bank deposits the money to the RBI and buy some government securities, so that at the time of banking stress they can withdraw that money, and also due to which the central government or the state government can have the money on the bank. Okay, and
how much is percent CRR?
So it is about 4.5%.
About nahi, it is 4.5%.
Yes, it's 4.5%.
What is SLR now?
The SLR is about, I think, 18%.
18%. Correct. Then you were telling something about economy. हमारा economy का बारे में कुछ बात कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir. So our economy is mainly based on two things. That is the agriculture sector and the service sector. So the service sector is mainly the backbone of India, because it's due to the service sector only we earn so much remittance and so much forex reserve, which help to buy the foreign goods and also maintain the foreign forex deposit in India. And sir, also from the last few years we are working on the MSME sector and the agriculture sector, which has been booming in the COVID period, and the only sector which saw a positive growth.
Good. Who is the Governor of Reserve Bank of India?
So it is Mr. Shaktikant Das.
Who is the CEO of our Karnataka Bank?
The Karnataka Bank, I don't know. I know about the Federal Bank.
अच्छा, you are appearing for federal?
Yes, sir.
आपने तो ये बोला नहीं हमको.
Sorry, sir.
आपने तो ये बोला था. हम फेडरल बोलने से दूसरा मैं भी पूछते थे. कोई बात नहीं. Federal Bank.
Okay, yes,
which date is your interview?
The 5th of September, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Acha, acha. You are now studying in a college
So I have this year graduate. I'm passed out this year.
this year, and you are appearing for clerical post, correct?
Yes, sir.
Very, very good, excellent. Clerical का post का duties क्या है बता दीजिए.
So my job is mainly oriented to the customer centric, and to deal with the customers directly, to listen their problems and give their solutions, and also assisting my team members to get the daily business targets of my bank. And I also work with the banks to meet its assets and the NPAs.
Good. What is
and to prepare the
FEDD?
balance sheet.
What is FEDD?
So FEDERAL
FEDD. सुना नहीं?
I can't.
सुना नहीं?
FEDI.
FEDDY.
No, sir.
सुना नहीं? अरे भाई
No, sir.
ये
Pardon me, sir.
ये कैसे है जी? अभी देखो आपका सामने फेडी आ रहा है. फेडी is a bot, chat bot.
Okay, FEDERAL chat. Oh, yes, sir. I have noticed. No.
Huh?
Chatbot. Yes, sir. It is on the app and the Federal
Yeah.
Bank site itself.
Yeah. ये सब
Oh, sir.
आपका
Pardon me, sir, for that.
very good. Feddy, they ask like that. Feddy क्या है? Okay, what is it you like in our website? Feddy website, Federal Bank website.
So what number?
What is it you like in the Federal Bank website?
Okay. So the Federal Bank website, I like the first the layout, the most here the Federal Bank have made it more simpler and most user centric. They can easily get the access to open an account, and the way of representing, and they also have shown their balance sheet with all the data that were essential for a new customer to trust on their bank. I like this point about the bank.
Federal Bank website में आपको एक ग्लोसरी बोल के एक आएगा. आप जानते हैं उसका?
Yes, sir.
देखा नहीं देखा तब तो ये पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. पूरा इसको पढ़ना है आप. What is an active account? What is account statement? What is anytime banking? What is ATM? What is banking ombudsman? What is bouncing of check? What is Basel II? What is core banking? देखो यहाँ पर पढ़ने से तो आपका आ जाता है.
Okay, sir.
Core banking is a buzzword in Indian banking where branches of the bank are connected to a central host, and the customer is connected to branches and can do banking at any branch with core banking facility. तुम क्यों ये सब नहीं पढ़ा है? बताओ हमको.
So because I have got some interview call in the 2nd of September, and I am having my exam on 3, 4, and 6.
अच्छा जी, ये सब पढ़ना है जी आप.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
ये सब पढ़ने से तो आपको पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. इसका अलावा यू आर फ्रॉम विच स्टेट? उत्तर प्रदेश.
Yes, उत्तर प्रदेश.
उत्तर प्रदेश का चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन है जी?
Mr. Yogi Adityanath.
Who is your governor?
The governor, Mrs. Anandibel Patel.
Very good. How many districts are there in Uttar Pradesh?
So there are 75 districts in the Uttar Pradesh.
Very good. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir, definitely. So it will be a way of to exchange my skills and culture with the others and to learn new with them.
Good. You are talking very well in English. This will help you get good marks in Federal Bank interview. And Federal Bank balance sheet आपने पढ़ा है? Last quarter का balance sheet? नहीं पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
वो क्या deposit
Actually,
क्या है?
sir, I have gone for the
deposit क्या है? Advance क्या
sir,
है?
I have gone for the 2021 and 2022.
2022 only want. 2022 only I want. And उसमें figures क्या है? फेडरल बैंक, ये हमारा फेडरल बैंक इंटरव्यू वीडियोस देखा आपने? नहीं देखा? Hello?
Yes, sir. I have watched many of them.
Many of them.
Sir, I have watched it.
You know about it. Acha. Then I am not showing it to you. This one I am giving you. OneDrive material. आपका नंबर बोलो, आपका सेल फोन का नंबर बोलो.
700.
Just a minute. Just a minute. I have to give you that link. 700.
45.
मिल गया 88078. अच्छा अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
अभी आपको लिंक दे दिया जी. हम इस लिंक को ले लो, उसमें से जितना तक होगा उतना तक पढ़ लो. And I want you to know the business figure as on 30th June. What is total deposits? What is total advances? What is the profit made? 600 and some crores, 601 crore. Then you
Sir,
must.
does I have to tell in figures or in a percentage?
No, figures. Deposit advance, then profit figure में बोलना है. GNPA, NNPA उसको आप percentage में बोलना है.
Okay.
ये पढ़
So I
लीजिए.
made some notes of that.
Yeah,
But
very
I have made in a percentage form.
Very good. No. But deposit advance and all you should maintain in figure wise. Please prepare.
Figure.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Best wishes. You can certainly get it. You study very well and go. You will get it selected. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the this grateful guidance.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
If you want to stay here, you stay for 10 more minutes to see next candidate, how he is answering. You will know the difficulties.
Definitely.
Yeah. 1 plus DN210. Your number is 80731. Siddesh?
Yes, sir.
Siddesh,
Yes, sir.
80731. Good.
Yes, sir.
You are from which place?
Sir, I am from Mangalore.
Achha, what is your degree?
Sir, I have completed BCom, sir.
You have completed BCom. Achha, which year did you complete?
Yes. In the year 2019.
2019 you completed. After that, what you have been doing?
Sir, I am working in one IT company, Capgemini, which is located in Bangalore.
Very good. Now, are you working from home or are you going to office? Hello?
Like for in a week, 1 week, hello, is my voice audible, sir? Yeah. 1 week I am working from home and 1 week I am going to office, sir.
Acha. What is the nature of work you are doing?
Sir, we are creating and maintaining a vendor. Like it's a US-based job, sir. US clients called Office Depot. For them, we are creating and maintaining a vendor, sir.
Good. Why do you want to come from Cape Gemini to Karnataka Bank?
Sir, because after completing my graduation, I always wanted to be a banker. Like I completely 1 year I started preparing for banking exam, but due to some financial reason, I had to join other company. Even though I was preparing for banking exam and I have cleared many prelims exam like for IBPS clerk, SBI clerk, Indian Post Payment Bank. These all exams I have cleared. So even though I'm working in private company, I am still trying for a banking job, sir.
Good. That is really a good point. I really appreciate you. Can you please tell me what is the job role of a bank clerk?
So the main role of a bank clerk is a frontline staff of an organization. Is responsible for maintaining the records of the bank and monitoring the NPAs and cross-selling of insurance product, receiving the customer with a smile and greeting them and solving their grievances, and also helping them in fulfilling of a KYC form. These are the main roles of a bank clerk, sir.
Good. You are communicating very well. In BCom, how many marks did you score?
There are 70%.
Very good. 70% is not a bad mark. It's a good mark. Good. Now, what is your father?
Sir, I don't have my both of my parents. Like they have expired, sir.
Oh, I think, did we talk earlier? முன்னாடி பேச-
No,
uh,
no, no,
no,
sir.
this is the first
No,
time
sir.
you're talking.
This is the first time.
Oh, what
Yes,
happened?
yes.
When did your parents die?
Like my mother when I was small in third standard, and my father when I was in 10th, sir.
Oh, now you are living with whom?
I am living with my aunt and uncle, sir.
Oh,
Currently, I am alone. I'm in Bangalore. I'm in PG, sir, paying guest
Oh.
accommodation.
How many siblings you have?
I am alone, sir. Only one.
One child.
I don't have any. Yeah, I don't have any siblings.
Acha. What about the properties and all of your parents?
It's there, sir. Properties are there,
Mhm. In which
but
place?
I need to stand on my own, sir.
They are in which place? Properties in which place? Who is
Uh,
taking care of them?
in Maharashtra, sir. Like my native is in Maharashtra. When I was a 6 months old kid, I came here to Mangalore, sir, because of my
Oh,
father's job. He
acha.
was working here.
Who is taking care of your properties there?
My cousin brothers, sir.
Oh,
Cousin brothers are there.
very good. Excellent. No problem. Now come to this banking. You told me very nicely about the job role. I'm not sure you added bank assurance and mutual fund products. That also you should add and
I
add.
okay, okay, sir.
I don't know whether you told. Doesn't matter. No problem. Good.
I told about bank insurance, but not about mutual fund.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Good. Now, can you tell me what are the types of loans banks give to others?
Sir, banks provide different kinds of loans like agriculture loan, education loan, MSME loan, gold loan, and personal loan. These are the types of loan that banks provide, sir. Questions.
Why are you running very fast like this? Please repeat.
Sure, sir. Sorry. Like agriculture loan, gold loan, personal loan, vehicle loan, home loan. These are the types of loans that banks provide to a customer, sir.
Good, not bad. What is the present position of our current global economy?
Uh,
This
sir,
is
I didn't understand that.
this is actually a question for probationary officer level. Current global economy means you should tell about the rising inflation. You should also mention
Okay.
about Russia-Ukraine war and the
Okay.
problems of importing commodities and the rise in the value
Okay.
of
Can I
oil.
try, sir?
Please try.
Sure, sir. Like the current inflation rate is going very high. From the month of January, it has gone above the percentage which is set by an RBI. So
Mm.
it is above 6%. Like currently, it stands at 6.7%.
Mm.
And even because of the Russia-Ukraine crisis, the prices of crude oils have become more. So because of this, people are facing problems.
Mm.
These are the main causes, sir.
Mhm. So, in what way Ukraine war has affected our economy?
Sir, Ukraine war started because of a NATO-related issue. Russia didn't wanted Ukraine to join as a member of a NATO. So, even though after a warning, Ukraine wanted to be a part of a NATO country, so the war started, sir. So,
Mm.
because of this, as I said, the price of oils and crude oils have been petroleum products have been increased, sir.
Good. What are your hobbies?
Sir, I like cooking food and solving Rubik's cube.
Oh, but cube though. But if you have learnt it well, then you can do it only once now. What is the problem in repeating it again and again? That cube, na, I also see my grandson doing it quite frequently. But
Yeah, sir. There are lots of formula how I learned is saw YouTube and I tried to do it, and there are some formulas which we implement in solving that.
mhm. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir. I am willing to relocate to anywhere, and I do have a habit of staying alone also, so it will not be a problem for me.
Very good. See, in Cape Germany, I think you must be getting same salary as clerk, or are you getting less than that?
No, sir. I am getting a very less salary, sir.
Oh, only your package is 3.5 or 3?
Yeah, 3, sir.
3 only. Useless fellows. They give
Yeah.
very less salary.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What is NPA?
NPA is a non-performing asset. NPA means when an loan amount or an EMI amount becomes due for a continuous period of 3 months, that is 90 days, then it turns into an NPA. There are 4 types. That is standard, substandard, uh, doubtful, and loss assets, sir.
Who is Urjit Patel?
So Urjit Patel was a former governor of Reserve Bank of India, sir.
Who is the present governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Mr. Shakti Kanta Das, sir.
Who is your role model?
Sir, as to tell about my role model, it's my friend, sir. Even he is working as an bank clerk in one of the banks. So he is my role model, sir. He
What?
knows how to take responsibilities, and he is very good in problem solving matters, sir. So he is my role model.
Acha.
So
Good,
I
good.
want to copy that from him.
Very good. Now, who is the present president of India?
Madam Draupadi Murmu.
Who is the present chief justice of India?
Uday Umesh Lalit. Mr. Uday Umesh Lalit, sir.
Very good. Can you please tell me what is GNPA and NNPA?
GNPA, gross net, I'm not sure, sir.
Gross non-performing assets, net
Okay, gross
non-performing. Gross
non-performing.
non-performing
Okay.
assets is the total amount of NPA
Okay.
less the provisions made will give you net NPA.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Very good. What is the total business of Karnataka Bank last quarter?
Uh, According to the report published by Karnataka Bank's last quarter report stood like it had an profit of 114.05 crore in financial year 2023 as compared to 105.91 crore, where it shows the growth rate of around 7%. And even the net NPA of the Karnataka Bank has been decreased from 4.91% to 4.84% to 4.03%. It shows that Karnataka Bank is a profitable bank, having maintaining less NPA, sir.
No, but normally we expect you to tell the total deposit advance also.
Okay.
These
The
two
total
are
deposit of
tell me.
Okay. The total deposit of Karnataka Bank stood at 80,576 crores. As compared to the financial year 2022, it
No, but
increased
no,
by 7%.
you need not tell about the previous figure and all. Current one only,
Okay. Okay.
unless they ask.
Okay. Okay. So
What is the
the
present advances?
total deposit, the total lendings are around 50,000. 500 something, sir.
50,000?
50,500 crores.
50,000 or 57,000?
57,500 crores.
Something like that. Very good. Thank
Yes.
you. You talked nicely. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
You can read. If you read something more, you can do well. One plus point for you is that you are already working in an organization. This will give you extra marks. Number two, you are talking very well in English. This will give you good marks. But some mistakes
Okay,
you are doing one or two, but that also will not be a problem. You will get this job 90%. And after attending interview, please
okay.
call us on 8:45 p.m. that day for that class. You know our class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you can come, please come to that class and share your experience. If you have done well, if you feel you have not done well, you send a list of questions to me through WhatsApp or Telegram. I will share it with the children.
Okay, sir. I have one question.
Yeah.
Like I have completed my education like 3 years back. So is there any possibility that they'll ask questions related to my educational background, sir?
You studied only BCom, na?
Yes, BCom.
BCom means these are the questions that are asked. What are the 3 golden rules of bookkeeping? Debit the receiver, credit
Okay.
the giver, debit what comes in, credit what
Debit
goes
what
out,
comes
debit
in,
all
credit
expenses,
what
credit all.
goes out,
Then
debit all expense and losses, credit all income.
what is trial balance? What is profit and loss account? What is a trading account? What is a balance sheet? What is the liability side? What is the asset side? What are the classifications of them? What is intangible assets? What is tangible assets? What is depreciation?
Okay.
This much will do. And what is ratio analysis? What is the use of ratio analysis?
Okay.
Thank you. Best wishes. You did well.
Thanks, sir.
You did well compared to
Okay,
many
sir.
other boys. Your interview was really good. Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. If I want to take any interview before that, before
Which d-
9,
which which date? 9.
9, sir.
There is no time, Baba. I'm so busy. Today itself,
Okay, sir.
I'm
I,
no
I
time. No
just
time.
wanted some
No,
questions.
you
I just
listen.
wanted some questions on.
You
Okay.
listen. You listen to our videos. That will do. Thank you.
Okay.
Watch
Thank
the
you.
video. There is no time.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Very good. Now we'll go to Yashasvi. Yashasvi,
Yes, sir.
are you ready? And should I close this and start again, please? That will be better, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 minute. Good. Just a minute for 5 minutes. Just a minute. Stop sharing. Stop recording.